Need precision and safety for your DIY electronics? Check out our lab bench power supply at Tech DIY. Watch detailed tutorials on Hobby Electro Lab. Perfect for students, engineers, and hobbyists. This lab bench power supply is a must-have for electronics enthusiasts and professionals. Compact, user-friendly, and packed with functionality, it features a 32-volt 10-ampere maximum output, digital display, and CVCC modes for precision work. It also includes a 5-volt 2-ampere USB fast charging port, a built-in cooling fan, and multiple protection features. Perfect for labs, DIY projects, and more. Looking for a high-precision adjustable lab bench power supply for your DIY electronics projects? This 30-volt 10-ampere adjustable voltage regulator is the perfect solution for engineers, students, and hobbyists. Whether you're repairing mobile phones, testing circuit boards, or charging batteries, this lab power supply offers precision, reliability, and ease of use. Ready to get your own lab bench power supply? Visit our store Tech DIY Dynamic now. We provide free worldwide shipping and easy returns.